I'm so excited to show you our newest listing. It's 312 Taylor Elaine in the upscale Tiffany community. Come on in, let's see. Welcome to this beautiful home. Here you'll have 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, granite countertops, and beautiful recessed tray ceilings. Upstairs, you'll find a huge room with a full bath. That can be a man cave, playroom, a theater room, or my favorite, a mommy escape room. There's a huge laundry room on the main floor. Also on the main floor is the owner's suite. There's a huge bathroom with his and hers walk-in closets and a huge walk-in shower that goes on and on. This home is situated on almost a full acre. You'll have just over 3,100 square feet in your new home. For your private tour, give me a call. My name is Crissy Britt. It's 478-258-0747.